Welcome my dear students. Welcome in Easy Learning channel, Standard 7th class, subject Maths. Happy New Year to all my dear students. Very happy. We learn chapter number 10, Bank and Simple Interest. Bank and Simple Interest. We completed 2 parts in this chapter. Today we learn part number 10.3. Let's learn how to find principal, rate of interest in this part. When 3 of 4 quantities, principal, time, rate and amount are given, to find the fourth. म्हणजेच मुद्दल, मुदत, दर, रास यापैकी 3 बाबी दिली असता चौथी बाब शोधून काढणे. In the formula, we place any letter in place of the unknown quantities and solve the equation, thus obtain to find the answer. म्हणजेच सूत्रामध्ये शोधण्याच्या संख्येसाठी अक्षर मांडून समीकरण मांडून उदाहरण सोडवता येते. First, find interest and rate of interest. For this example is principal 25,000, amount 31,000, time 4 years, rate of interest and interest did not know, so we find rate of interest and interest. First, we write down all information given in the example. Principal, time, amount, rate and interest we did not find. So, first we find interest. Write down formula of amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is 31,000 and principal is 25,000 plus interest. We taken 25,000 left side. 31,000 minus 25,000 is equal to interest. We subtract 25,000 from 31,000. Answer is 6,000 rupees. Interest is 6,000 rupees. We find interest in this way. Step, we write formula of simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Interest is 6,000 rupees is equal to principal is 25,000 into R into time is 4 years upon 100. 6,000 we divided by 100. 6,000 is equal to 250 into R into 4. We taken 2 numbers left side, 250 and 4 as divisor, remaining R right side, divided by 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 fours are 100. 24 upon 4 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. Rate is 6%. 6 PCPA, 6% per annum. Next example is find the rate and amount. Find the rate and amount. Example is principal 5,100 rupees, time 2 years, interest is 1,020 rupees. We find rate and amount. See example, how solve. Write down all information left side. Principal, interest, time, rate and amount. We find rate and amount. Let us find amount. Use formula. Amount formula is amount is equal to principal plus interest. We know principal and interest, so add these two numbers and find amount. Principal plus interest, 5100 plus 1020. Addition is 6120 rupees. Amount is 6120 rupees. Next, we find rate. Use formula. Rate of interest. Formula is interest is equal to PRT upon 100. Interest is 1020. 5100 into rate upon into 2 years upon 100 divided by 100. Remaining numbers write down. 51 into R into 2, 1020 upon 51 into 1, 2, remaining R divided by 51. 51 ones are 51, 51 twos are 102, remaining 0 write down. 20 upon 2 divided by 2, 2 tens are 20. Rate is 10% per annum. Rate is 10%. In this way, we find amount and rate of interest. Next, find the time and amount. Example, principal 7,000 rupees, rate of interest 11%, interest 2,310 rupees. Find time and amount. In this example, we write down all information in left side. Principal, rate, time, interest and amount. Write down formula of amount. Principal is 7,000 rupees and interest is 2,310 rupees. Add these two numbers and find the amount. 9,310 rupees amount. 9,310 rupees amount. Next, we find time. Use formula. Let us find the time. Use formula. Formula is I is equal to PRT upon 100. Interest 2,310. 7,000 into 11 into T. T means time divided by 100. 2,310 remaining 70 and 11 taken as left side divisor. Right remaining T right side. 7 2 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 33 upon 11 is equal to T, 11 3s are 33, 3 is equal to T, 3 years, time is 3 years. In this way, we find time and amount in given information. Next, find the amount and principal. Find the amount and principal. Principal did not know. Time is 4 years. Rate of interest is 7 PCPA. Amount did not know. How to find principal? See the example. Write down information left side. P, R, T, I and A. Let us find the principal with use formula. Principal use formula. I is equal to PRT upon 100. Interest is 5,600. 5,600. Principal did not know. 7 into 4 upon 100. We taken 100 left side, multiply Multiplication form, 5600 into 100, remaining P are P74. We taken 7 and 4 as divisor left side. 7 into 4 remaining P right side. Dividing by 7, 7 8s are 56. Divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Remaining 800 into 25. We multiply by 25 to 800. 25 8s are 200. 20,000 is equal to P. Principal, we find principal 20,000 rupees. Next, we find amount. Amount is 20,000 plus 5,600 is equal to 25,600 rupees. In this way, we find principal and amount. Children, in this session, you have studied various examples of how to calculate the principal, time, interest and rate of interest and amount. म्हणजेच या भागामध्ये आपण विविध उदाहरणे अभ्यासलेली आहेत. या पद्धतीने आणखीन तुम्ही उदाहरणे सोडवा आणि दिलेल्या उदाहरणांचा नियमित सराव करा. All my students, you are response me very well. So very thank you for you. Happy New Year all my students and your parents. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly. Thanks.